Hey everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you this amazing contraption by Chill Living that is going to save you a lot of desk space and it's going to make your laptop setup look way more organized. So this is a vertical laptop stand. As you can see, it has two spaces, so you can use these for two laptops, maybe a laptop and a tablet, a laptop and a keyboard. My husband really appreciates this on his desk because he has his laptop, I have my laptop, and his desk was getting a little overwhelmed, and he didn't really have any free space to take notes, to write in his agenda. Now with this stand, we can pack our laptops off to the side. They're perfectly stacked, giving him a lot more space on his desk. So the inside of this is covered in this nice, soft, cushiony rubber, so it's not going to damage your laptop. I just love how much space this gives me while also protecting my laptop, storing it away safely. I think that everybody should have this laptop stand to get their desk organized. I think you're going to love it and the amount of space that it gives you. But that's just my point of view.